obturator nerve. The obturator nerve arises from L2, L3 and L4 vertebra. So these three lumbar vertebra give rise to the obturator nerve. Now this obturator nerve passes through the obturator canal and then divides into anterior and posterior divisions. So we must know that obturator nerve is a nerve of the medial compartment of thigh. So it will supply the muscles of the medial compartment. So what are the muscles of the medial compartment? So the muscles of the medial compartment are pectineus, adductor longus, adductor brevis, and adductor magnus, where adductor magnus is a hybrid muscle of medial and posterior compartment, and it is supplied by the obturator nerve as well as the sciatic nerve. So these are the muscles of medial compartment which will be supplied by the obturator nerve. So obturator nerve divides into anterior compartment and posterior compartment. The difference between the anterior compartment and the posterior compartment is made by the muscle adductor brevis muscle. Okay, so adductor brevis divides the anterior and the posterior part of the obturator nerve, and the adductor longus lies in front of the anterior part and the adductor magnus lies behind the posterior part. So during dissection, if we see, first we'll see adductor longus, then we'll see the anterior branch of the obturator nerve between the adductor longus and the adductor brevis. Then we'll see the posterior branch of the obturator nerve between the adductor brevis and the adductor magnus. From anterior to posterior, we will see adductor longus muscle, then anterior branch of the obturator nerve, then adductor brevis, then the posterior branch of the obturator nerve, and the adductor magnus muscle. Here above in the femoral triangle we also have the pectineus muscle, and on the most medial aspect we have the gracilis muscle. So here gracilis will also come. Anterior part of the obturator nerve supplies the pectineus muscle, adductor longus, adductor brevis, and it gives a branch to the gracilis and a terminal branch which supplies the medial aspect of thigh. The posterior division of the obturator nerve gives branches to adductor magnus, adductor brevis, and then a genicular branch which supplies the knee joint. We may also note that the anterior branch also gives a branch which gives supply to hip joint. So anterior division, posterior division, anterior division between adductor longus, adductor brevis, supplying pectineus, hip joint, adductor longus, gracilis, adductor magnus, and the medial aspect of thigh. The posterior division between the adductor brevis and the adductor magnus, supplying the adductor magnus, adductor brevis, and the genicular branch which supplies the knee joint.